Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious jollof spaghetti. You're going to love this. This is so yummy, so delicious. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, and please help me to share the video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without further ado, let's get down to the video. So for this jollof spaghetti, here are my ingredients. I have here my fresh tomatoes, okay? I've already washed and sliced it. I have spring onions here, that's the green onions. Here I have onions, carrots, red bell pepper and my green bell pepper. And here I have my satashi, that's my pepper mix, okay? Satashi pepper and yeah. So here is my minced garlic. And then I'm using the Crown Premium pasta. We are going to start now to make our sauce, okay, for the jollof, our jollof base. And to that, I'll be adding in vegetable oil in my dried pot. Once the oil is hot, I'll add in the chopped onions. And then I will go in with the minced garlic. I'll be adding in curry powder and thyme. I'm going to stir this now and I'll allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, at this point our onions and everything has fried, okay? So I'll be adding in my chopped tomatoes and I'll also go in with my pepper mix. Halfway into the cooking process, I'll be seasoning this now. I'm just going to add in my seasoning cube, okay? I will stir it, cover and allow it to fry for some more. So guys, our jollof mix is ready. So now I'm just going to take this down now and then I'll proceed to cooking my pasta. Guys, if you have watched this up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please help me to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. And if you have not liked this video, please help me to like the video, okay? Don't forget to share the video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. I love reading your feedbacks. So guys, I cooked my pasta off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So now I'm just going to add in my carrots, okay? I'll go in with the carrot first because the carrot is hard, like it's harder than the other vegetables. So I'm just going to stir, cover and allow this carrot to cook in the sauce for about 2 minutes. Two minutes later, I'll be adding in my cooked pasta. I use the slim spaghetti, the slim one. Okay, so here it is. I've already cooked it. Read the instruction at the back of your spaghetti, okay, to know how many minutes it will take to cook the pasta. Okay, so I'm just going to add in the remaining veggies now. Then I'm going to give this a very good mix. I'll be adding in some of the pasta water just to loosen this sauce a bit, okay? Then I'll go ahead to mix until everything is well mixed. I will add in my spring onions at this point now. Then I will mix it again just to let the sauce and the veggies so that everything can marry each other very well. Guys, look how yummy this pasta is looking like. Look how yummy and delicious this pasta is looking like. So yummy. You're going to love this, okay? I want you to try it. Just try it, okay? And guys, our yummy and delicious spaghetti jollof is ready. This is so good, so yummy. Okay, I paired it with some chicken. I'm going to be enjoying it with some chicken. Okay, you can use any protein of your choice. This is so yummy, so delicious, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, don't forget to share, okay? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.